Hi there, my name is Daniel Rudenberg and I'm a professional ballet dancer. Like many other ballet dancers, my season was cut short by the recent COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 has caused many dance companies and dance schools to close. Where do we dance now? The answer is at home. Doing ballet at home poses all sorts of questions. What kind of floor should I be on? What kind of footwear should I wear? What kind of barre should I use? In this video, I'll help you set up your home ballet studio so you can stay in shape and continue to dance. If you want to learn more about doing ballet at home, subscribe to this channel. There are 3 important things to think about when setting up your home studio. The first is space. For doing barre exercises, you need enough room so that you can extend your leg in front, to the side, and to the back. For center exercises, you want as much space as possible. Think about the rooms in your house. Which ones are the biggest? Is it the kitchen? Is it the garage? Is it the basement? To make space, you may have to move some furniture or other things that are in the way so that you have room to move. Make sure there are no sharp edges or pointed objects in your area. Of course, some of us just don't have enough space inside to dance. For you guys, try thinking about spaces outside that you can dance in. Wherever you choose, make sure you're following local healthcare guidelines and maintaining social distance. The second most important thing is a barre. Most people don't have a proper ballet barre at home, so we'll have to be creative and find alternatives. Try to find a piece of furniture that fulfills these requirements. Most importantly, your ballet barre should be around waist height. It shouldn't be below your hips, and it shouldn't be above your shoulder. If it's too low, you can't use it to assist your balance when you're on demi-point, and when it's too high, you can't hold on to it in a grand plie. Your barre should also be stable. Don't use a swivel chair or a rocking chair or anything else that moves. That's how you get hurt. Heavy chairs and countertops are great examples of stable objects you can use as barres. It's nice to be able to find a barre that allows your inside leg to be able to lift to retire. The last important element is the floor. The floor should be relatively smooth and level. You don't want to hurt your feet on prominent or rough edges when you tendu or slide your foot along the floor. You also want a fairly grippy floor surface. It's hard to turn and do quick steps when you're on a slippery floor without losing your balance. One way to get the right amount of traction is to use optimal footwear. Bare feet are the most grippy, ballet shoes are a little less grippy, and socks are the least grippy. Wear whatever makes sense for the floor you're on. One way to make ballet shoes a little bit more grippy is to wet a paper towel and to step on it with your ballet shoes. A little bit of moisture on the bottom of your shoes can add a good bit of grip. Although mirrors are not essential for ballet practice, they are very useful as you can use them to check if you're doing movements correctly. See if there's a portable mirror you can set up in your practice space. An alternative to using a mirror is setting up a tablet in camera mode so that you can see yourself on the screen. Another alternative is to record yourself on a phone and watch that recording later to check if you're doing things correctly. So you've set up your space, you have a barre of some sort, you have the proper footwear, maybe you have a mirror too. Now you're ready to do ballet at home. Remember to like this video and subscribe so you can get notified about my next videos. Next time, I'll go over some specific ballet techniques and show you some exercises that you can do at home. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and positive in this crazy time. Remember that the more you practice, the better you'll be. Enjoy dancing. Do you have a favorite place where you practice at home? Let me know in the comments.